Square number. The result of multiplying a number by itself. This is a good little illustration. And you see squared numbers, when we square a number, we put a little 2 by it, usually at the top. So 2 squared is the same as 2 times 2, which makes 4. 3 squared is 3 multiplied by itself. 3 times 3 makes 9. And 4 squared is 4 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by itself, which gives us 16. To go shorthand, 6 squared is 6 times 6, which is 36. 5 squared makes 25. 8 squared makes 64. And 11 squared makes 121. The square root. The factor multiplied by itself to produce a square number. So it's working in reverse from finding the square numbers. And if you're finding the square root, you often associate it with this symbol here. So 2 squared is 4. So the square root of 4, if we were working in reverse, is 2. The square root of 9 is 3. Because in reverse we think 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. The square root is 3. The square root of 16 is 4. Think of 36, you know that 6 multiplied by 6 makes 36. So the square root of 36 is 6. The square root of 144 is 12. The square root of 49 is 7. And the square root of 25 is 5.